Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheenu Sharma. So today we are going to talk about NCA Legal Research and Writing course. So I have already uploaded one video, but that is based upon the older pattern. So this is all about the latest trends. Then we will be discussing the importance of LexisNexis, how you have to go about the research, how the timelines, deadlines look like. And in this video, I will also be sharing some practical personal tips for the students. So now let's get started. So starting with what is the LRW course? So I am bringing this lecture because I have been getting so many queries because sometimes students are not sure about whether this is a theoretical course, what this actually is about. So today I'll be covering each and every detail so that you should be clear, and whenever you feel comfortable you can take up this course. So what is the LRW course? So LRW simply stands for Legal Research and Writing. This is a mandatory compulsory NCA course and this is very practical in nature. So unlike other subjects like constitutional law, foundations, admin, PR, so LRW is not about memorizing anything. You don't have to memorize any law. It is about learning how legal professionals in Canada actually research legal issues and write professional legal documents. So many students worry that LRW is like an exam based subject. It is not. Think of LRW as more of learning a skill, like learning to drive. At first, it feels confusing, but once you start the process, everything becomes manageable. Now, important thing. Another query, common query of students, why LRW is important. So very simple. This course builds real life legal skills that are used in legal field by lawyers, articling student, paralegals. So you will learn how to find cases, statutes, understand them, and then communicate your analysis clearly. This is really important. How you communicate your research to the court before the judge. So these skills stay with you for your entire legal career. If you learn research and writing properly here, it will also help you not just in NCA but throughout your professional life in Canada. So that is why this course is actually very important. Now, third query. How often is LRW offered? So LRW course now, so I am telling you the current scenario. So LRW course is offered 6 times a year. You can choose an intake that fits your schedule. Registration is first come, first served. So I am just giving you an example of the first intake. So everything is there on the CPLED website. You can see all these details were there. So this course is already ongoing, the 2026 year's first intake. So registration and payment, they open the registration, give you about 14-15 days, 2 weeks time period to register, make the payment. Then before actual course begins, a week prior, you will be getting the course access and introduction module. So you will have to attempt that. There are unlimited attempts for the introductory module that is mandatory and you need to score 100% marks. But for that, you will be getting the course material. So everything, each and everything, all questions, all 10 questions of introductory module will be from that material only. So just be thorough with whatever CPLED will be providing you. Then you will be getting your LexisNexis login, D2L login, where you will be accessing this course. So step by step, just follow the instructions of CPLED and you will be good. Now, for this course timeline, so usually this is how it looks for every intake. About, you can say, 2.5 months time period or 2 months time period is there. So course begins, they give you good time, so about a month to complete your first stage. So this course is divided into two stages: legal research plus legal writing. For legal research you will be getting two things to do. So in this two, there will be one assignment and one quiz. Same for legal writing, one assignment, one quiz. And similar, about a month period you will be getting for the second part. So this course is divided into two parts once you are done with the introduction. So that is the first initial thing. But you won't be marked based on that. So grading is only based upon these four things. So this is how the deliverables look. Legal research component, multiple choice questions, then legal research assignment, both are mandatory. So focus should be on finding cases, doing your research, using LexisNexis effectively. You can also use Canly here and there. So from wherever you are getting good academic sources. Then second is legal writing component. So once the research module ends, the legal writing module begins. So here you will write a legal memorandum usually. Then legal writing in Canada is simple and direct. So do not try to impress with complex words. Judges and lawyers prefer clear, well-structured, logical writing. So all the templates, everything will be provided to you by CPLED itself. They will be there in your D2L login portal where you will be accessing your complete course. So go to library, follow the research templates, follow the guidelines. Just look at the sample assignments, how much marks, like for example, if there are 2-3 samples, one has got 35% marks, another has got 70% marks. So you can make an analysis that why this assignment has got lesser marks, why this assignment has got more marks. So accordingly, you can have your preparation. Then talking about grading structure, so the quizzes will be 10% each, so total 20%, and assignments will be 40% each. So written assignments 80% total, and this combined makes 100%. So next comes the most important thing, professional integrity, very, very important. Submit your own work only. So no collaboration on MCQs, research assignment, writing. So this will breach your integrity policy, and also this can lead to course failure, and also your later on licensing might be affected. So serious consequences with NCA. This is very, very important. So this course has strict professional integrity rules. You must always submit your own work. I'm again emphasizing, while you can discuss general concepts, collaboration is not allowed on MCQs, research, or other assignments and assessment. A good self-check is to ask, if someone read my assignment, would they clearly know this is my own work? So you should always ask this question to yourself. If the answer is no, stop and rethink. Then comes most important thing. So LexisNexis is a lifelong skill. If you are in legal profession, so this is very important. So this training will be given to you. There will be 2 dedicated training lectures. So extremely important for success. These help you in saving your time, scoring better in assignments. So I strongly recommend students to attend both these sessions. Then I would also like to share a few personal practical tips for students. So start your assignments early. Don't wait until the last day. Attend LexisNexis training, go side by side, read instructions carefully, go thorough samples and under the library. Then focus on clarity, not complexity. This is important. Follow deadlines strictly. This is the most important. There is no second option. If you have missed it, you have missed it. Now comes a very important thing that I would like to particularly highlight here. Making connections, study buddies and mentors. What is allowed, what is not allowed. So you are encouraged to make connections. A study buddy or mentor can help you understand the assignment, explain expectations, show you the right direction. So think of a mentor as someone who explains the map, not someone who walks the path for you. They cannot give you answers, review the drafts, or suggest any specific cases. So this is very important. So you can have a study buddy, another LRW student, friend, mentor, senior professional. So you can discuss general concepts like how this course is structured. Like I just told you, this is just a guidance. How to write a case or statute, what a legal memo generally looks like, IRAC, then how to use LexisNexis, basic search tips, databases, filter. You can ask help in Canly if you want from someone. So learn together through modules. Watch lectures together. You can sit with a friend who is also enrolled in the same LRW course, clarify instructions, ask general, how do I approach this? So these kind of questions, this kind of shared learning, I would say, is allowed, because this is not shared answers. Now, what is strictly not allowed? This should be your focus area. Work together on MCQs, collaborate on the main assignments, share or exchange any notes written for the assignment, any research paths, use these like exact cases, answers, outlines, copying all or any part of another student's assignment, past students' work, any content that is not your own. So this is not allowed. So how a mentor can help you in this? What's allowed? So mentor role is to just guide your thinking, not to do work for you. Understanding the assignment. So mentor can help you explain what the question is really asking, break the assignment into steps, identify the goal of the task, research versus writing. Example, this assignment test how you research cases, not how many cases you find. So these kind of general tips a mentor can give you. So showing direction by a mentor is always permissible, but providing you answers is not. This is a big, big no. So explaining structures, then skill-based help, this is all about skill training, not collaboration. So this is allowed. So what a mentor cannot do, again, tell you what to write, suggest specific cases, review or edit your draft, provide sample answers, share past student work. So this is not allowed. So at last, to conclude this lecture, I would like to say that think of LRW as training for real legal practice in Canada. Learn, research and writing properly, follow integrity rules, stay disciplined. If you do that, this course will not only help you pass NCA but also prepare you for your legal career ahead. So do not need to worry about anything. Just go with the deadlines, go with the flow. So that was all for this lecture. Thank you and good luck.